Our mini car is the smallest RC car in the world with proportional steering. It even has working headlights, brake lights, and turn signals. Use your smartphone to drive this car. Easy app controls, including tap-to-steer and touchscreen inputs that let you drive with a car-like precision. Race your friends or construct an obstacle course to crash through.
My name is Edward and I'm from California. I've always been crazy about technology and design.
My name is Nathan. I'm an electronics engineer from Taiwan and I love intellectual challenges.
We co-founded Quantao with a dream that we could use technology and design to connect people. We have helped our customers start their businesses with creative and competitive products.
The mini car is only 2 inches long, uses Bluetooth 4.1, has a 15-meter range, comes in 3 different designs, and has 3 different sensor packages.
I looked all over for a very small, very precise model car, and I found a few high-grade models in Germany and Japan, but for a very high price. Even then, we found that playability was limited by the available controls. As we developed a micro Bluetooth module for our customers, we realized the answer was right in front of us. Bluetooth 4.1 gives us long range, uses low power, and has nearly unlimited inputs and outputs. Please support our vision so we can bring more sophisticated technology to micro-scale models. Thank you.
Hi, we're Paul G Toys and we'd like to introduce you to our newest creation, an RC Pterodactyl. This flying lizard has nearly a 5-foot wingspan and a 3-foot long body. The very first thing that everyone asks when they see these magnificent beasts up close is, do they really fly? Yes, they really fly. Our amazing pterodactyls are biomimetic ornithopters, which mean they achieve flight by mimicking a bird's flapping wings. The specifications of our pterodactyls are very impressive. A 15 to 20 minute flight time on a single charge. A 500-meter range. That's over 1,600 feet. A powerful 11.1 volt, 1,300 milliamp rechargeable battery. A sturdy and durable polyfoam construction. A 2.4G controller with a LiPo battery. And an optional camera harness to record your flights. Now, for what we think is our bird's best feature, the pterodactyl screech. You activate the call from the controller, but the sound itself emanates from the body of the bird, so even if you're 1,000 feet away, you can let loose the pterodactyl fury on unsuspecting prey. We have spent almost 2 years in product development and testing, and we are now ready to launch these big birds into the sky. Come fly with us.
Do-it-yourself paper airplanes in the market today are too heavy, which make them impossible to fly. One of the major problems is that the airplanes don't have enough battery life to stay in flight for a long time, and other systems do not have the ability to steer left or right. After a few months of studying and research, we created a solution to resolve the problems of the do-it-yourself paper airplanes. The new revolutionized DIY paper airplane called the Whoopr has been equipped with amazing features. It has been equipped with 2 propulsion motors, a digital radio control system that uses pulse position modulation to create an accurate set of instructions for your Whoopr DIY paper airplane. This newly invented Whoopr DIY paper airplane has the ability to move in all directions. For example, it can move forward, left, and right. It also has the ability to stay in the air continuously for almost 6 minutes. The Whoopr paper airplane can be used with a 2.4 GHz radio controller as well as with an iPhone or Android using the attachable dongle.
Hi, my name is Randy Chang. I am electronic engineering and I am inventing the Whoopr paper airplane.
Hi, my name is Jackie Chang. I helped my dad design and create the aerodynamic Whoopr paper airplane. My objective was to make the paper airplane lighter so it could be a more effective flyer in the air, and to make the plane as aerodynamic as possible. I had to make the airplane as streamlined as possible, but yet it had to have enough wingspan to allow it to glide properly and further. We have been working on Whoopr for over 10 months now. I hope to gain your support and put this concept into the making, and hopefully we could reach the 3,000 backers that will help put this product into production. Thank you for taking your time in watching this video.
Hi everyone, this is the story of Woodies, handcrafted radio control cars from São Tomé and Príncipe. Since late last year, we've been developing Handcrafted Innovation, a social enterprise building a network of craftsmen that blends technology and traditional crafts. This has been taking place in São Tomé and Príncipe, the second smallest African country with around 190,000 inhabitants, located in the equatorial line by the Gulf of Guinea. Beyond all of its amazing characteristics, São Tomé is rich in talent. It's a country where craftsmen master any material they put in their hands, such as wood, bull's horn, and coconut. Having started with 6 of these skilled craftsmen, we've already reached around 20 of them through 6 different workshops, including one in state prison, where we're running a training program led by 2 of the most experienced craftsmen in the country. With the ultimate goal of gaining impact on the local economy while promoting the country's culture, we started creating innovative products, bridging local crafts with technology to find their way into new markets beyond borders. That's what led us to firstly develop the memories from STP, handcrafted USB keys, which are already being produced and on sale. Today, we're reaching out to ask for your support on developing our most recent product, Woodies, RC cars handcrafted in São Tomé and Príncipe. Woodies are a mix of tradition and technology that result in pure joy. We have working prototypes in wood, bull's horn, and wire. Your support will help us progress with sourcing, acquiring the necessary technological components, packaging, handling, stronger communication, border identification of international distributors, and last but not least, to advance with paying the craftsmen for their first batch of Woodies. So, will you join us on this car ride to gain impact locally while spreading joy globally?